Today I'm going to be unboxing the Li'l Woodzeez Curlicue Pig Family.
Unlike CurlicuePigFamily's, Li'l Woodzeez are kept in open-top boxes, which can be bad for their coat. You can already see the storybook. The box is decorated simply but brightly. It says fun and furry woodland creatures of Honeysuckle Hollow, allowed for children from 3 years old. And you can also download Woodzeez game. Just scan with QR code.
Olive and Toby Curlicue and their parents Maria and Roberto have a busy day ahead. The
Best for pasta
restaurant opens tonight and they have lots to do to prepare. Roberto says they can do it if they all work together, but when the opening is only 1 hour away, the Curlicues realize they've forgotten a very important task. Will the hungry woodland friends waiting for their first meal at
Honeysuckle Hollow's
restaurant be
disappointed? How can the Curlicues possibly open on time? So let's get the mother first. She's wearing a dress with a turquoise top, a checkered bottom, and a green sash with a bow. Her head and limbs are movable. She can also be put on a chair. Besides, she has an incredibly cute tail. And the next is our father, who is wearing a navy blue jumpsuit with a green pocket and a red t-shirt. He also has a cute tail. Next we have a baby pig. He, like all Li'l Woodzeez babies, wears panties. His panties are green, and under them he hides his cute tail. This is really cool because Slovenian babies don't have tails, and it's a bit weird that a tail appears out of nowhere as they get older. And the last is a brother pig who wears a jumpsuit similar to one that his father wears, only turquoise. And he also has a tail. Put him next to his family. By the way, I would like to tell you about my impressions about the packaging of a set as a lover of Slovenian families. And this was just a cry from the heart, guys. It's very difficult to get the pigs. Their hair is scratched on transparent plastic, and after unboxing, the box looks just awful. So I'll show you the pictures in here, and you can pause it to read it if you want to. So here is a quote, all families are depicted. Now here are some more, as well as 2 buildings that are mentioned in the story. It also says that the pigs have hidden 6 rolling pins in the pages of the book, and we need to try to find them.
Well, please support my channel by liking the video and subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!